Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of using heavy vacuums that weigh you down? The Dyson V8 cordless vacuum is here to change the game. This ultra-lightweight powerhouse is the perfect solution for quick and versatile cleaning. With up to 40 minutes of fade-free power, you can tackle any mess without interruption. The power trigger is a genius feature that maximizes energy efficiency, only using power where you need it, so you can clean smarter, not harder. As one of the most well-reviewed and popular handheld vacuums on the market, thousands of customers have made the switch to the Dyson V8 and loved it. The Motorbar cleaner head is a standout feature, deep cleaning all floor types with ease, and detangling wrap long hair and pet hair as you clean, leaving your floors feeling smooth and looking brand new. When you're in normal mode, the vacuum hums along quietly, but when you kick it into turbo mode, the sound changes to a more intense whir, and you can feel the extra power beneath your fingers. In real life, this means you can use the Dyson V8 to quickly clean up crumbs under the couch, or to get into tight spaces like stairs and upholstery, all without being weighed down by a bulky cord. The result is a deeper clean with less effort, and that's something to get excited about. Whether you're a busy parent, a pet owner, or just someone who wants a cleaner home without the hassle, the Dyson V8 cordless vacuum is the perfect tool for you. So why wait? Make the switch to the Dyson V8 today, and experience the power of cordless cleaning for yourself. With its unparalleled combination of power, portability, and convenience, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.